It's the beginning of August. It's August 3rd, and I wanted to do an energy production update on this small solar installation. Right now it's putting out about 1,747 watts, and it's put out 2,040 kilowatt hours since the installation. That was just last year, 2 days before Thanksgiving. I'll do another final update when the year is completed. But what I noticed, like during summer in these warmer months, the wattage is lower than what it was earlier this spring when it was cooler. I've seen like today, right now, the sun is almost directly hitting it, and it's only, a little over 1,700 watts. And earlier this spring, at the same time of day when it's hitting directly, we had over 2,100 watts. And this is a 1,920 watt rated installation with 8 panels, 240 watts each panel. So the panels are getting warm. It cuts back that much on the output. So this is the panels are about 8 inches above the roof here. I used roof jacks to actually hold them up. That's what they're mounted on. That seemed to work pretty good, inexpensive. So the total output for May was 318.7 kilowatt hours. June was 321.2, and July was 326.3 kilowatt hours. Check back in the fall, and I'll put out another video to show the total production of the system for a whole year, and I'll go over what it costs to put it in and how much I save.